Hello and welcome to the next episode of the Kulkarnis. This is your host and host, Sanjeev Kulkarni. Well, today we are making history on this podcast. We are not joined just by one guest, not two guests, but we have four incredible guests joining us today. They say jodis or matches are made in heaven. On that count, our guests today should deserve a spot on the Guinness Book of World Records. Why? Because they're a couple of couples, a double jodi, two real-life couples who are the four frontrunners for India's dynamic and energetic musical band, V4 Once More. Well, let's introduce the quartet. Ekta, Kaushal, Tejas, and Arohi. EKTA. Ekta. Now, if this is not divine intervention, I don't know what is. And Arohi figuratively and literally plays a key role. There is no Ekta without A. Watch the podcast to understand why. Friends for over 20 years and band members for more than 10 years, their journey is a true Kulkarni story. Kaushal spent more than 12 years in corporate recruitment before taking the entrepreneurial leap, quite literally changing from his 9-to-5 clothing into his onstage clothing in a rickshaw. Arohi, she literally ran out of a JP Morgan interview following her father's advice to follow what makes your heart happy. Tejas, he's a master risk taker, and his risks have always worked for the band and certainly for himself. Ekta, it was a pure love of music, or maybe from learning Hindustani music early mornings in Mumbai to becoming the wedding industry's trendsetters who can make the entire audience erupt and jive to their chaiya chaiya. They are literally the heartbeat of live wedding celebrations. Let's tune in to hear their tuning, the planning that makes the show happen, and a lot of funny backstage stories. One disclaimer, we did have some internet issues which might lead to some choppy audio and video. When you have four powerhouse performers bringing in so much energy in an intercontinental chat, some lags are bound to happen. But trust me, the stories and the banter are so pure gold that you may overlook these glitches. Please give a massive welcome once again to V4 Once More.
Witness power of four like never before. People's Choice Band.
If there is a wedding in your house, it has to be V4 Once More.
Young and dynamic dudes. Presenting the most entertaining band of the millennium. V4 Once More.
Well, hello and welcome to the Kulkarnis. This is your host and host, Sanjeev Kulkarni. And I am very, very excited this time because for the first time on the Kulkarnis, we have not one, not two, not three, but four people on this group. Welcoming V4 Once More to the Kulkarnis. Hello, everyone.
Hello. Thank you so much, Sandeep. Thank you.
How are all of you?
Everybody's good.
Thank you.
Fantastic. I believe there could be some lag in this in this network at times. So please, audience also, and you all also, please bear with that. If we speak over each other, that's only because there could be an internet lag as we are recording this. But let's start with a very quick introduction. I'll request you to introduce V4 Once More to our audience.
So V4 Once More is a musical band, and it's been over around 10 years of making of this band. And actually, all four of us, we were in the same music class, and then we used to do solo shows, and then we decided we had a tour in US, and then we came back. Then we decided that let's form a band, let's form a team, because then we thought that will definitely execute the musical work better rather than performing individual. So then that bond increased, and there was this friendship which was over 20 years. So then we grew up, we formed a team, and there are other band members as well associated with the band.
Sure.
We four are lead singers.
Mm-hmm.
And it just went on and on and on, and we grew as band members and as a team and as V4 once more. Did plenty of shows. It's going great after that.
The journey is going great. So we'll come to uncover each part of that, but there is an interesting part about how the four of you are sitting today and the name of the group. So can you all throw some light on that?
Yeah, so my name is Ekta, which
Uh-huh.
is EKT. So that is how Ekta, Kaushal, Tejas and Arohi. So my name itself has got us,
Yes.
Yeah.
And I'm tempted to ask who came up with that name combination कि भाई group का नाम एकता होना चाहिए. यानी somehow I feel that it might be Kaushal, दीदी को खुश करने के लिए.
Maybe unke parents ne, they've thought this name before only. They knew that some band was going to be formed with four individuals with.
When I was born, the purpose was, already served that, okay, now V414 is going to be formed. And
So they say जोड़ियां ऊपर भगवान बनाता है, तो ये तो डबल जोड़ी भगवान ने बनाया. So that's another unique thing about you.
Not by us.
Double dhamaka.
Double dhamaka. Now, I probably want you all to share this. So of course you four are friends, you told that, but there is another special relationship also you all have that. You want to share that?
Yeah.
So we are real life couples. That's my wife.
Couple of
And
couples.
we are couples.
Wonderful,
We've
wonderful.
been married more than 10 years.
What kind of answer is that?
14 for us and 12.
Yeah,
For
12
them.
for them.
12 for them. Okay. Fantastic. And I don't know, are you all unique in that sense? Is there any band anywhere in the world where two couples perform together?
No.
No.
No, na? Yeah, go ahead.
So before becoming wife, we guys were friends. So झगड़ा कर लेते हैं, but पता है कि हाँ, we know each other. So
No, but what I wanted to say was maybe you all should really put it in the Guinness Book of World Records where you're a couple of couples performing together. I don't think there is something like this anywhere in the world.
Yeah, I think we should even get musicians also as couples. So the
Too much हो जाएगा.
झगड़ा हुआ मियाँ बीवी का मतलब प्रॉपर झगड़ा होगा फिर.
Proper झगड़ा होगा. But since झगड़े की बात ही निकल गई है, तो then I had that as a question. I'm going to ask that, right? तो झगड़े तो पहले you all will probably have, you all know each other for a very long time, so you all know your pluses and minuses. But दोस्तों में भी झगड़े तो होते ही है. So you'll have. And now that you all are couples, तो क्या यानी झगड़ा कुछ दूसरे लेवल पे गया है कि it is more easier to fight, और how is it कि सारे झगड़े तुम ग्रुप में ही निकालते हो, घर पे कुछ नहीं, फिर घर पे आराम?
झगड़ों से ज़्यादा it's more of discussions and point of views that happen, and it's always for the betterment for the band.
yeah.
तो वैसा होता है. But अभी the easier way is to have a voting. So 3:1 होता है, तो फिर then the one.
Majority wins is the always our priority, and we are so bonded. We know कि ये इंसान मेरे लिए अभी शायद कुछ बोल भी रहा है, but वो मेरे लिए अच्छा ही चाह रहा है या चाह रही है, whatever.
That's such a beautiful thing. Such a beautiful thing.
Arohi is the one who balances. मतलब वो कभी 2:2 ratio होगा ना, so then उसका 1 वहाँ पे रहेगा, तो भी then she'll come this side just to ensure that things are fine.
Fantastic. So Arohi is that kind of team leader in that sense.
No, our love is like that.
You'll always
It's
win that.
unconditional. Yeah.
Fantastic. So Tejas, good for you, yeah. I mean, you probably will never have a chance to have a fight because it will be diffused immediately.
नहीं, अभी वो कोई टॉपिक भी निकलता है ना, तो टॉपिक से पहले ही वो पता है कि नहीं ये टॉपिक पे कुछ होने वाला है, उससे अच्छा ये टॉपिक निकालो ही और अंदर डिस्कस हो जाता है.
और अभी साथ में ही इतना रहते हैं कि झगड़ा चालू तो होता है, फिर होते होता है टॉपिक याद झगड़े का टॉपिक भी भूल जाते हैं.
ऐसे एकदम प्रिडिक्शन टाइप होता होगा कि कल देखो, कल ये इस बात पे झगड़ा हो सकता है करके उसके ऊपर बेटिंग लगा देगा. Anyways, I think we are going in a different direction.
I'm not sure whether audience is with you or not, but there's a quote कि मनभेद नति मतभेद छे. So it's always 5 things that are not the same. So our thoughts might be differ from each other, but we make sure that we come on same page.
That's a beautiful way to put it. And on that note, probably we'll move from that topic to the other. And let's start from the start. Can you all help us understand how was it growing up? You all know each other since 20 years, which means as kids, you all were probably not friends. You met at a music school is what you said. What kind of music school was this?
It was an Indian classical. We used to learn classical first.
Very beautiful.
So then we started with that. We used to learn privately, and then slowly, I mean, since Ekta was in school during that time, I was in maybe college.
So I was the first one who was the part of music class. Then Tejas came in. Then Kaushal came in, and then Arohi came in. Yeah.
Acha. Acha, acha.
So basically, I heard three of them in a competition. So I went. I think I met Ekta first, and then Tejas to ask from where do you all learn, because you all sing very flawlessly. So I started the same music class. I wanted to learn from the same class where they used to learn.
So she heard,
Tejas,
but her eyes were on stage.
Let me open the Raz over here. So she basically came there for because she loved Tejas' voice and his singing. So she came.
Yes.
Yeah. So she came to the music class where we were learning.
She used to come all the way from Goregaon
To Marine Line.
morning 5:30. She used to leave from there and travel in train to Marine Lines.
Acha, just to listen to
Not just for Tejas. Now let's be open. Yeah, that was one of the reasons. I will not deny.
Chaliye, that's a beautiful way to start actually, but from Hindustani classical to getting towards the more high energy Bollywood, and how did that transformation happen? So when you said you went on a tour to US, that was not a classical singing tour, I take it, or was it more on one of the popular things?
It was for Navratri and then followed by personal shows, Bollywood shows.
Diwali. Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay. And those things had started when you were at the school only. How did you get into that band that is traveling to US, etc.?
So we were with a different organizer when we went there at US. And then there only, since we had around 2.5 months tour, so then we used to stay together, and then during that time we used to do shows. I mean, we used to do solo shows,
Freelancing
shows, all different. But then we decided, why not form a band? So then we came, and then we came up with a name. We started with Once More Entertainers first, and then probably Aruhi's dad came up with this V4 Once More rhyme name. And we liked it, and then we got it registered, and that's how the journey began. And initially it was tough for us because we are doing quite good with solo shows. But then we decided, let's say no to shows, only take a band.
No to solo shows.
No to solo shows.
Actually, when we used to perform together, we also did solo shows. But the time when we used to perform together on stage,
The aura was.
the aura was different, the feel was different. There was no need of saying anything or doing anything. We were just being together, and we were killing it. And we got that feel. So he had that thing that since start she had that feel that we should form a band, or we should be singing together. And then gradually, as we came back from US tour, so then we decided, let's start taking up
Give it a
shows
try.
like this. And then we were killing all the market things, and
Excellent.
never-
Sorry, go ahead.
yeah. No, please ask.
So we'll get to that point as well in terms of how you all started killing it. But here I'll just take a moment to give you a sense of what the theme of the Kulkarnis is. So here in this podcast, what we do is we invite and speak with trailblazers who are pursuing their passion, who might have probably started on a stereotypical path. I have learned, I'm doing an IT job, I'm doing something, but then your passion comes calling and you say, nothing doing, I'm going after my passion. So we love to hear those kind of stories from people where you're able to take that jump on your passion, you take that punt on your passion. This is what I'm going to do. So I felt that you all fit that perfectly, because I believe at least some of you had a career that was going on which you left to come here. Is that a fair understanding?
Yes.
So can you all tell us a little bit about that? How was that decisioning? How did you all come up with that decision that career छोड़ते यही full time करना है?
So सबसे पहला, it is Kaushal was into recruiting. So
Permanent job. With a permanent job,
So I-
salaried job.
Yeah, I worked for 12 years at a firm. Before that also I used to work for around a year into recruitment somewhere else, and before that also some for 3-4 months. So there's a long professional career that I did before going to singing. But it was singing was also a part of it because I was after job I used to travel. I used to reach. ये टाइम था कि 7 बजे शो चालू होने वाला है. So then I used to prepare myself so that I can travel, train पकड़ के फटाफट से पहुंचूं. So double duties तभी होता था. It was tough, but then I used to enjoy doing it. At the end of the day, I used to pat my back saying that yes, I have done this today.
Can I elaborate this? So this Kaushal used to go to office at 8 o'clock in the morning. So we were married that time. तो सुबह 8-9 बजे ऑफिस भी जाता था और 6 बजे 6:30 बजे स्टेज पे भी रहता था. वो ऐसा वो सब जंगला था, रिक्शा में कपड़े बदलता था एंड व्हाट नॉट इज डन. But if you know, there is this railway, Western, Harbour and Central in Mumbai. तो Western Central से किधर से जाके वो पहुंच जाता था. हमें वो विश्वास था कि उसको बहुत है, वो आ ही जाएगा. We knew that. But
and at some point you got this कि भाई like the work is this is becoming too much and you can probably rely only on V4 once more. So you came to that decision in a way, is it? Okay. How about you, Tejas and Arohi? Were you all also into some kind of a work setup which you all had to leave, or one of you was in full-time music in a way?
No, I was I've studied MBA. So there was a day जब एक दिन मेरा इंटरव्यू था JP Morgan में और उसी दिन I got a call for a recording. So I called my father कि मैं क्या करूँ, मैं इंटरव्यू के लिए बैठूँ अंदर. I was in a queue. I was already in a queue. It was my final interview. और वहाँ से मुझे बोल भी दिया था कि you will get a 25,000 salary starting में. तो I called my father कि मैं क्या करूँ पापा, रिकॉर्डिंग पे जाऊँ कि ले लूँ जॉब. अगर ले लूंगी तो फिर आज रिकॉर्डिंग पे नहीं जा पाऊंगी. So my father said, you do whatever your heart says. मुझे तेरे 300 रुपए भी अच्छे लगेंगे रिकॉर्डिंग से आए हुए rather than earning 25,000 after doing like a lot of hard work. And so I was so happy. I just kept the phone and I ran away. मैं भाग गई वो इंटरव्यू से. और that day I decided कि नहीं, म्यूजिक में रहना है, मुझे नहीं करना जॉब 9 to 5.
Arohi's father, uncle, what a sound advice you have given. I think it's really a something that all parents should really take off from. Whatever the kids want to do and be happy in, give them that encouragement that they can do. आप लोग, all of you are very responsible people, but that is so evident. But giving you that path at that point, I think, uncle, kudos to you.
Yeah.
Acha, wonderful. So now that we have understood this part of the background, now we'll come to the part like the vibe that you four were able to create together. Now, ये vibe.
Tejas
Sorry, go ahead.
So like मुझे कुछ आता ही नहीं, मुझे खाली गाना ही आता. So I think I was at 8 or 10 and I have decided कि मुझे सिंगर ही बनना है.
Wow.
और जैसी जितनी चलती गई, I used to do 3, 4 shows in a day. So my father नहीं रहे, I lost my father.
Sorry to hear.
वो उसके टाइम, उसके बाद my father actually he was a cloth merchant. So वो cloth merchant like कि वो अलग अलग cloth होता है, उसको बेचना पड़ता है. So I had done 1 year that thing. उसमें कुछ पता ही नहीं चलता था क्या चल रहा है क्या नहीं, but I used to do because वो घर चलाना है कैसे भी करके. But I had a really good support from my family. Okay, you do whatever you want. So फिर ऐसे ही सिंगिंग में एक करियर बन गया, एक बैंड बन गया, एक बॉन्ड बन गया.
Wonderful. These are really inspiring stories.
Yeah. So in my case, it was a calculated risk because then, since V4 Once More was established, after that I left my job. In his case, he was a very risk taker. So always, for decisions he always takes risks. और वो it has always been good for the band. Always whenever he has taken risk. So वो एक है. So हम लोग थोड़ा ये तीनों थोड़ा ये होते हैं, फंबल होते हैं कि यार करे नहीं करे, ऐसा नहीं करे. But then he's like करो अच्छा ही होगा. So coming from him was rather more difficult. Looking at his financial conditions during that time, coming from him was more difficult.
Correct.
To just
Correct.
shows for bands, मतलब not doing solo shows, saying a no to solo shows. He was doing very well, but then he took a risk of
saying
because he had more responsibility. Getting.
Just
I mean,
clarify for our just to clarify for our viewers, when you say solo show, that means where you are going as a solo singer in some other event where you get a chance to sing and so on. Correct.
Freelance.
Freelance. Wow, wow, wow. Kya, such encouraging stories and kudos to you, Tejas, that you are able to take such risks. ऐसा लगता है कि the punt that you take seems to work for the band as well. So it's in a certain way your foresight, if we can put it that way.
I just want to share one thing. ये हम दो भी agree करेंगे. At a point, एक point आ गया था जहाँ पे कौशल जॉब ही नहीं छोड़ रहा था और वो शो के टाइम पे इतनी मुसीबत होती है because there is a flow कि आज पहला कौशल जाएगा या पहले आरोही जाएगी, फिर कौशल आएगा, फिर तेजस आएगा, फिर एकता आएगी. सो हम लोग वो हमेशा वो गैस पे ही रहते थे कि कौशल कहाँ पे पहुंचा जिस भी वो
हम तीनों गा लेते थे, फिर वो एंट्री करता था.
इंसिडेंट वेयर कौशल का नाम अनाउंस होने वाला है और ऑर्गेनाइजर आके हमको पूछ रहे हैं कौशल किधर है, कौशल किधर है, और तेजस डर के वॉशरूम में घुस गए. वॉशरूम से बाहर ही नहीं निकल रहे. वो नौकर अरे कौशल किधर, अरे आ रहा है हमको इसके सामने ही नहीं आ रहा.
And I took an entry from crowd.
And he took an entry from the crowd. आवाज तो अच्छा लगता है.
कौशल भाई आप तो पूरा हैप्पी न्यू ईयर के शाहरुख खान हो एकदम लास्ट में ऐसे एंट्री. किधर है शाहरुख, किधर है यू मेक अ फाइनल एंट्री. अरे वाह वाह वाह, व्हाट अमेजिंग स्टोरीज. तो वो दिन डेडलाइन दे दिया क्या इनको, अभी जॉब छोड़ नहीं तो
कौशल इज लाइक ही इज वेरी कैलकुलेटिव. मतलब एक तो रिस्पॉन्सिबल बहुत है और उसके दिमाग में एक चीज एकदम फिक्स थी कि जब तक मैं मेरा घर नहीं ले लूंगा तेजस तब तक मैं जॉब नहीं छोड़ूंगा. इट्स वेरी सिंपल. अभी तुझे गैस पे रहना है रहे, नहीं रहना है रहे, ये ऐसे ही चलने वाला है. बट ही हैज गिवन अ डेडलाइन कि भाई ज्यादा से ज्यादा 2 या 3 साल. वो 2-3 साल भी बहुत मुसीबत से जाएंगे जल्दी कर जो भी कर रहे हैं.
Literally had sleepless nights where Kaushal didn't sleep for the whole night. उसको डार्क सर्कल्स आ जाते थे, क्या करूँ, जॉब छोड़ूं, कैसे करेंगे, कैसे होगा, ये अच्छा चलेगा ना, क्योंकि ऑफिस छूट जाएगा तो फिर वो इनकम गया.
Correct. But kudos to you for taking these kind of decisions. मैं थोड़ा in that sense I would say I come from a slightly conservative decision making or era, so to say, where you never knew, like क्या करना है, इंजीनियरिंग करना है या मेडिकल करना है. ठीक है, चलो इंजीनियरिंग में एडमिशन मिला, इंजीनियरिंग करो. फिर क्या करना, अरे मैंने किया इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन में बट एवरीबडी इज गोइंग इनटू आईटी, हाँ चलो आईटी में जाते हैं. So that has been my kind of journey, right? So for me, I find it very inspirational when I come across how this decision making happens for you. And thank you for explaining that in depth. But you also gave me a cue in this process. So my next question was direction mein tha. I have a set of questions. Since you have given me a cue, I'm going in that direction. All of you, I mean, I saw some of the reels of how you all do your events. You jo mahol banate ho aap log, like high energy. Of course, if you have to keep a crowd which is like a full-on either shadi and all that kind of events, you need that energy in yourself first. How do you all decide? I mean, do you all, each one of you have certain traits based on which you decide कि भाई ऐसा गाना इसको, melody वाला इसको, धमाका वाला इसको? Are there some strengths divided or anybody can do anything but it just वो time पे toss मार के decide करते हो? How does it work?
टॉस तो नहीं है. It's all pre-planned. एकदम अच्छे से एग्जीक्यूट किया हुआ है और हम चारों के जॉनर अलग अलग हैं, सिंगिंग जॉनर अलग अलग हैं.
That is what I wanted to understand.
जो गाना सूट करता है वो प्रिपेयर करता है और आता है कि हाँ मैंने ये किया है, तो अभी देन वी सी कि हमारे म्यूजिशियंस के साथ बैठ के वो मेडली में कहाँ जा रहा है, ये पार्ट मैं अच्छे से परफॉर्म कर पाऊंगी या ये बेटर परफॉर्म कर पाएगा. सो देन वी डिवाइड अकॉर्डिंगली.
Beautiful. And what are those genres? Who is good in what genre?
Genres is like, he has a voice of Kishore Kumar, KK types.
He's got good bass
voice,
and also high. He's got a super good high range voice.
Sonu Nigam and Mohammad Rafi. Sukhwinder, Sonu Nigam. Okay.
Yeah. So same with us. I have a bassy voice and she has a really good range voice.
Acha. But when it comes to Masti as a genre, all of you have that. So high energy Masti, everyone has it.
Yeah. And earlier it was कि थोड़ा हम लोग देखते थे for us to coordinate would be a little not difficult, I would say, but then it's become very easy now. So now that I know that even if I don't look at Tejas, I know कि उसका next line वो गाने वाला है या मैं गाने वाला हूँ. So now it's being together for so many years. Now we know कि कौन क्या मतलब एरर्स जो बोलते हैं ना, इट्स काइंड ऑफ बिकम 0.01 इन आवर शोज नाउ.
Correct.
आई
Because you
जस्ट
all,
ऐड वन एनर्जी जो है ना, वो एनर्जी इट्स लाइक वो खाली हम चारों से नहीं है, इट्स बैंड.
band, correct.
जो म्यूजिशियंस भी जो एक वाला जो वो क्रिएट करते हैं, क्योंकि हर एक सीजन स्टार्ट होने से पहले वी हैव अ जैमिंग. तो जैमिंग में बहुत सारी चीजें डिस्कस होती है, डिस्कशन में कुछ अलग होता है, और ऑन स्टेज ऑन द स्पॉट बहुत सारी चीजें चेंज हो जाती है. तो वो भी जो एक क्विक मूवमेंट का वो डिसीजन है, वो म्यूजिशियंस के साथ भी जो डिसीजन है, एक आई टू आई कॉन्टेक्ट में, इवन दैट प्लेज अ वाइडर रोल.
Correct. I love how some of these things are being preempted. So because वो भी मुझे जानना था कि आप लोग stage पे वो coordination, what happens now. Again, this could be. I would request if you can go back to the starting days, because now we all are for 10 years एक बन जाता है working rhythm. But in the earlier days, how was it? क्या code word बनाया था कि मैं ऐसा तुमको ऐसे करूंगा तो you have to do this, or what was the code word for coordinating live on stage?
ऐसा कोड वर्ड तो नहीं, बट वो थोड़ा इशारा होता है, तू गा अभी.
So for all the songs we have these hooks and cues. अभी suppose पान बनारस में पुकारे इसको, something like this.
So पान बनाने से
अच्छा, हाँ, for musicians.
Some set of music which has
खली बली is like this.
तो अभी 6 8 2 4 वैसे अलग है, तो वो इशारे चलते हैं अभी ऐसे ऐसे, मतलब खली बली बजाओ कि मतलब. फिर then there are set of songs in that. Then
कैसा है ना, द थिंग इज, अगर आपने वो देखा ही होगा, एवरी सॉन्ग, हम लोग जो भी सॉन्ग गाते हैं, एवरी सॉन्ग हैज अ हुक स्टेप. सो हुक स्टेप अभी वो म्यूजिशियन को भी पता है. तो अगर वो चेंज करना है ऑन द स्पॉट, तो खाली हुक स्टेप कोई भी एक बता दे रहा है कि भाई ये है, अभी तो वो समझ जाते कि अभी ये गाना बजा है.
कभी कभी वो लोचा भी होता है. कभी कभी ऐसा
समझ नहीं आएगा वो.
चुम्मा बजा देगा तो यार तूने ऐसे किया, अरे नहीं ऐसे का मतलब ऐसा है. तो स्टार्टिंग में वो होता था कभी कभी.
See, sometimes what happens is,
I don't come.
because you have created such an atmosphere, आप लोग गलती करते भी हो तो ऑडियंस को समझ में नहीं आता है. Like audience will go in the flow. Like you all will know कि भाई कुछ तो हुआ.
I think last show में ही हुआ था.
I was actually going to.
There was a generator issue, technical issue.
Okay.
So then what happened is the sound vendor said that you need to switch off the sound for 10 minutes and then restart it again because we have some issue with the generator. We are like right now the show is at this level. We can't stop it anyhow. So then पीछे we didn't even know that ऐसा कुछ चल रहा है, हमको तो मालूम ही नहीं था. पीछे musicians ने
कौशल अपने फ्लो में गा ही रहे,
किसी को पता ही नहीं कुछ क्या चल रहा है. So then the musicians, they got their instruments in front. वो mic से निकाल के snare and those roto and everything they got in front. And then the sound was off. वो हमारा एक technical बंदा आया, उसने बोला कि ऐसा है सर, ये problem है. And then we took off the back seat and then they came in front and for 10 minutes they performed live, interacting with the crowd.
Without sound.
I mean around 5-10 minutes and then the sound was back. So nobody came to know that something like this had occurred.
टेक्निकल इश्यू जो था वो किसी को
पता नहीं चला. And then it went on. The sound guy was like, wow sir, आपने क्या कर दिया, मेरी जान बचा दिया आज. किसी को पता ही नहीं चला कि ऐसा कुछ हुआ है और आपने इतना अच्छा हैंडल कर दिया.
I think these things in terms of how you handle the stage, ये वही जानता है जो स्टेज पे जाके कुछ करता है. Like that is that energy that you get when you're on stage is something else altogether.
And there are some tricks as well that we follow. So कभी समझो ऐसा कुछ इश्यू होता है, so Tejas is the one who handles the behind thing, जो भी coordinate करना है. He leads the band, तो पीछे से keyboardist को जो भी instructions देना है. And then we three are in front, तो we are engaging the crowd के भाई कुछ नहीं हुआ है, आप लोग यहाँ लगे रहो, yeah it's fun. It's sorted. तो ऐसा सब gimmicks हम लोग थोड़ा करते हैं.
बट ये ऑन द स्पॉट में कौशल ऑफ ह्यूमर इज जस्ट अमेजिंग.
हाँ मतलब वो फिर करना पड़ता है. You don't have a choice.
वो हम तीनों भी फिर शॉक लेते हो, वाओ कौशल.
He cracked good jokes.
On the spot you should be able to do something to correct.
Yeah.
So ये अच्छा, it's so nice to see how each one of you have your strengths that kind of come together. Either you discover by accident or you all know and then you all kind of give roles that way. Now I want to take this in two directions. First is you talked, or rather two things. First is you talked about your band. So just help us understand who constitutes the band. That's the first part. And the second part is then now we'll start getting towards how do these shows come? What kind of shows are we talking about? there are some specialities that you do, etc. तो उसके तरफ जाते हैं. But पहले band के बारे में, if you can just expand on that. Who's in the band?
So we have a band leader named Prasad Parasnayak. He's the one, who invents a lot of things, who's technically very sound. He's a keyboardist, and plus he arranges the entire music and all for the band.
Achha.
We have a wonderful drummer, Aditya, who plays drums and who also plays Ableton, which is a technical, instrument that plays. So, and then we have Anil. He has performed in India's Got Talent, and he's a lead percussionist in our band. And also he at times plays drums as well. And we have 2 dholis, Prem, वो लंबे बाल वाला आपने अगर देखा होगा तो हमारे वीडियोस में, and Sudhir. So Sudhir is a more aggressive. He gets into crowd and he charges towards people and plays. And Prem is like a very handsome hunk who charms the audience with his playing.
Achha.
And we have a guitarist, a young, very dynamic guitarist, Tushar, who's there in our band. And we have few engineers. We have Sanjay Bhai, who's there, who's been with us.
Shantam.
Then there is Shantam, and there is Ganga. So these 3 are our sound engineers. And we have a very important player in our band, who's Brijesh. So he's the one, who sells our band, who makes sure that, he wants the band to come at a level. So he has a vision for which he works very hard. He's the one who manages our band.
Beautiful.
So that's how the team is.
That's how the team is, and obviously it's all of this put together is what we get to see as V4 once more. So that's a wonderful point, and kudos to the entire team and the band as well. So thank you to the band. Now, one thing I wanted to understand is now when you see some of these, for a lack of a better term, I'll just use the Western bands, right? When they Coldplay is a recent one that comes to me. Did you all attend the Coldplay concert?
No.
I think we were performing. Yeah, we were performing, but we saw online.
We would love to, one day.
Yeah. So I'm not much of a band. I don't go for live concerts, but I incidentally happened to go for Coldplay when they came in Melbourne, thanks to a couple of friends of mine who took me there. One thing that stood out with Coldplay was the kind of atmosphere that they build, and it is, their songs are happening, but along with the songs, it's an audiovisual experience, how you engage the audience and do all of that, right? I think people increasingly kind of want to have that experience. They pay for that experience. They are not paying to listen to your songs. Oh, YouTube mein mil jayega, right? So they pay for that experience. From the sounds of it, that is what you all also try to create. Is that right? With a whole audiovisual experience and beautiful.
True.
Beautiful. Fantastic. So चलिए अभी अगले point की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. Help us understand what kind of events do you all do usually? There are some specializations as well, right? So help us understand that.
Yeah. So it's more of pre-weddings that we do. So abhi season hai, it's like, winters are more of weddings. So it starts from November and then it goes up to May, June, July, some of July, and then that is how the main chunk of pre-weddings come. And there are corporates as well, corporate events, those get-togethers and the conferences that they happen, annual get-togethers of corporate. We did for Vantara, we did 2 shows for Reliance at Jamnagar. Recently we did for Raymond. Nayara Energy, the petroleum company. So corporates, plus there are social events also, Holi, 31st night that we'll be performing, plus all celebrations and also regional shows. And also Navratri, since we are Gujaratis, so 9 days of Navratri festival is what we do.
So rainy season is the lean time you get in a way. That is the time where like कुछ नहीं बे घर पे बैठो practice करो types.
हाँ, जुलाई अगस्त है थोड़ा शांत ये मिलता है, उसमें भी थोड़े shows रहते हैं, but July August is like a breather for us, wherein we prepare for the next year.
Where we prepare for Navratri.
Yeah.
Correct. Because in the Ganpati khatam hote, then you have your Navratri starting again, right? So, acha.
And plus the originals that we've come across and we've been working on that, our own originals.
So now the slack period that we have, what we do is we go and record
We plan for the videos, we plan for the outfits and how the choreography of the song. So since a year and a half, we are coming up with our originals. So we plan our songs, what genre songs we want to record, and then what kind of videos, what newness in videos we want to do. We do all of that in the Slack period, or we do shows.
Like when you all do so many different events, so you have a kind of a pattern that you use के सामने से भी फरमाइश आती है कि like शादी का है तो like maybe let's say case in point बिहारी शादी है थोड़ा अलग रहेगा, गुजराती शादी अलग रहेगा. So you have those kind of requests also that come in.
Yes, we do.
अच्छा.
But we have everything, क्या बोलते हैं, bank. So everything is there. We are kind of versatile when it comes to weddings, honestly, because we can give everything. वो पंजाबी, retro, सूफी, ये वो जो भी बोलो, जो भी बोलो. So then
everything.
So that 2.5 hours, you get everything.
Since you mentioned that, I want to ask you, is there any kind of, like for example, अभी चाहे जो भी हो, right? I mean, doesn't matter whether you're a Tamil wedding, dance चाहिए तो पंजाबी आ जाता है. ऐसा कुछ, are you all also citing something like that? के like there are other like Tamil wedding में Tamil songs होते हैं dance करने वाले के पंजाबी गाने ही लगते हैं उधर.
It depends actually. थोड़ा ये भी है, बोल सकते हैं कि अभी थोड़ा era भी change होते रहता है. So we are now expecting because of Dhurandhar के retro ज़्यादा चलेगा. Earlier because of Diljit, थोड़ा पंजाबी का ये था flavor, people wanted because of people like singers like Karan Ahuja and Badshah and all. Badshah के थोड़ा rapping, तो ऐसा थोड़ा taste change होता रहता है लोगों का भी. But क्या है, अगर वो 56 भोग थाली में सभी दिया ना, then everybody is happy कि चलो ये मेरे को everything.
थोड़ा ये भी मिल गया, वो भी मिल गया. Correct.
But we make sure like whatever step we are coming up with, people don't even have time to even breathe. कि भाई वो सोचने का भी time नहीं मिलेगा कि मैं उसको कुछ फरमाइश दूं. क्योंकि ये like
100, but more फरमाइश in terms of before you put up the event, if they have कि भाई हमको ऐसे चाहिए or something like that.
हाँ, वैसे आता है. Yes, we do come with requests. Who also bride and groom's father, if he comes request, we can't say no.
We can't say no. जो paycheck, जो पैसा तो दे रहा है वो उनका तो सुनना पड़ेगा.
अभी वही अगर कोई ढींच के आ रहा है और बोल रहा है तो उसको हाँ बोलेंगे, yes, and we might not take it. पर उसको हाँ बोलना चाहिए. That moment happy is important.
हाँ, don't confrontation नहीं लेना है भाई, कर दो.
बहुत सारे शोज में ऐसे हुआ है कि कोई एक पर्सनालिटी ऐसी मिल जाती है जो स्टार्टिंग से एक ही सॉन्ग की रिक्वेस्ट करता है, स्टिल शो गेट्स ओवर. मतलब इतनी बार वो पूरा शो एंजॉय नहीं करता, वो खाली एक ही चीज पे फोकस रहता है कि मेरा गाना आप लोग कब बजाओगे.
ऐसा होता है. दो एक्सपीरियंसेस.
ओ जीजा जी, टिपिकल एक जीजा जी रहेंगे ना वैसे करने वाले. लगे चाहिए मुझे ये. Nice. Let's kind of switch gears towards the family side of who's there in the family for you all.
So we are staying with my mom.
Okay.
Same.
Yeah.
We are also staying with
And
mom.
they have
And they have a son.
Okay. So that from that perspective, like the one thing is holiday seasons will probably be very busy for you. Weekends will be very busy for you. So how does that happen? I mean, now you all have fallen into that routine ke bhai, your relaxing days will probably be something in the weekdays. ऐसा routine set हो गया अभी. Saturday Sundays are busy. ऐसा scene है क्या?
हाँ, मतलब normally weddings Saturday Sundays होती है. But a good part for us is that we can go on off days to places if we want to travel, क्योंकि वहाँ पे गर्दी कम रहेगी. So then Monday to Friday अगर we plan to visit somewhere, it's actually easier because then you get a good service there since it's not overcrowded. So then planning some during either school vacations or weekends is more difficult rather than weekdays. But there is a minus point as well that we do not get to attend our own family functions. So then if there is a wedding in the family,
I have a wedding coming up in my house and he's constantly manifesting.
No. I am not manifesting. I'm just, she wants to shop, but then I'm like, what if we are performing that day?
No, but
उनको ही बोलो ना कि एक V4 once more hire कर लो तो पक्का आएंगे हम लोग.
let it be.
क्योंकि अगर घर पे शादी है तो और कहीं भी शादी तो होगी और शायद वो लोग संगीत भी रखेंगे और V4 को भी बुक करेंगे तो then.
Correct. No, absolutely. So those are the kind of
our own family functions. and we miss that.
We miss that. Yeah.
Functions
That is-
also.
Because we are kind of,
Festivals also
festivals also.
we can't enjoy
We
with
miss
our
that.
families.
Correct. नहीं वो तो that is a see, I mean, it's I can relate to what you all are saying in a way, because these kind of challenges come in any work field that you have. There could be some ऐसा बोल सकते हैं चलो दूसरे के work field में Saturday Sunday मिल जाता है, but then in our kind of work field also sometimes मान लीजिए कुछ काम निकल आया है, you don't look at Saturday Sundays, you don't look at day or night, your vacations get cancelled, so totally relatable. But on the same note, then go ahead.
Sorry to cut you. No, please say.
हाँ, तो हमारे sometimes in our kind of work, this thing what happens is a business is taking you somewhere, like चलो के यार इस बार यूरोप का ट्रिप बना क्लाइंट विजिट के लिए, या फिर सिडनी जाना पड़ा है, whatever, 4 दिन एक्स्ट्रा रुक के वहां पे कुछ करके आते हैं. You all also do that कि भाई कहीं उदयपुर गए तो चलो और 4 दिन रुक जाते हैं टाइप्स.
हाँ, कभी कर लेते हैं वैसा.
हाँ, 1-2 बार ही किया है अभी तक.
We cannot plan holidays because of our work schedule. We just cannot plan.
God has been very.
He's a Kuju that he saves money. अच्छा है, मेरा पैसा बच गया.
सिर्फ मलेशिया के शो के बाद हम लोग and we had fun, मतलब हॉलीडे मनाया. Otherwise तो we
शो आ गया तो क्या करेंगे? शो आ गया तो क्या करेंगे? We want to visit somewhere the next year. We want to have our visas, but शो आ गया तो क्या करेंगे? इतना बड़ा क्वेश्चन मार्क लटकता है सर पे कि कुछ नहीं कर पाते.
In an entrepreneur's life, you always come across this challenge that you're always hungry for that next gig or next business. कि then you start नौकरी पे रहते हो तभी इतना नहीं सोचते मेरे को छुट्टी चाहिए मैं जा रहा हूँ. Right?
Not even medical leave.
Correct. In terms of new, like what I wanted to understand was, Abhi, when you keep doing the same thing over and over, does some kind of a for the lack of a better term, boredom set in? How do you hit a refresh button for yourself? KR, this is how I'll energize myself.
We change the medley. Like the set of our songs, we keep on changing that. So we get new vibrations, and we also add the trending songs. Yeah.
वो हमेशा ले लेता है. So we took that song also. Sadda Kutta, Tommy, Sadda Kutta.
So we add the names also to our songs, those dialogues that get famous. Insta Reels, we add all the trending things to our set of songs.
So you must have not heard anybody singing Baby Calm Down, or maybe Apna Time Aayega, or maybe Macarena. Live usko perform karna, with singing. No band does it. And they might attempt it, but they'll not sing it again.
और अगर वो गाएंगे तो वो शायद गरबा नहीं गा पाएंगे, या तो बॉलीवुड नहीं, या तो रेट्रो नहीं गा पाएंगे. Our specialties, we can do all of that.
And honestly, Sanjeev, we can get pride. We've been the trendsetters for our industry, which is like you can say a wedding industry, wherein पहले individual artists थे, but then people have started, getting more singers on stage. You'll find at least four singers, 3 to 4 singers performing together, wearing same outfits, and then calling themselves as band, changing their name,
wearing twinning outfits.
Yeah, so then
we are trendsetters of all of that.
Even dancing while singing. So these all going in the crowd and singing. So these all we can proudly say that we were the ones who started it, and then people are following it. They are doing it quite well. So that's a pride that we always take.
Yeah, and you should. Congratulations on that. For being trendsetters is always something very unique, and you should take a moment to pat yourself on the back. Keep doing more. But where my question was coming from was also that, like you said, Macarena. So I'll probably ask in that direction. Do you all try like a completely, let's say, English songs only? कि भाई इस बार एक show सिर्फ English का करेंगे. Like maybe at like if you go for corporate events, तो कभी वैसा आता है कि भाई like we just want to do English songs or something like that. Have you all tried that?
No, so then just singing it because we want to sing it doesn't make sense for us. क्योंकि उसको if we are not able to execute it well, then it's attempting it will not serve the purpose. So then वो नहीं करते हम, but we take some songs in our set, like we perform We Will Rock You, Love Me Like You Do. So some songs wherein we know that ये song अगर हम गाएंगे then it will sound good.
Theme में बैठेगा.
Sounding good is हाँ वो थीम में बैठेगा और प्लस वो अच्छा सुनाई भी, वी कैन जस्टिफाई दैट सॉन्ग। हमें कभी कभी यू नो जस्ट फॉर इंग्लिश सेट आते हैं, बट देन वी डोंट डू इट बिकॉज यू नो आई मीन
Now going back to that point of travel, so you all have traveled the world as well, right? So you have done shows in different parts. काउंट रखा है किसी ने कि कितने cities हो गए अभी? इंडिया के इतने cities हो गए, वर्ल्ड के इतने cities हो गए, something like that?
काउंट रखा नहीं है, बढ़िया
बट बहुत है। हाँ
कंट्रीज को तो काउंट होगा, how many countries?
हाँ
या
कंट्रीज यूएस, मलेशिया, बहरीन, ओमान,
मस्कत,
Oman, Muscat is the same.
okay.
Then Dubai.
दुबई,
I think that's it. Yeah, five countries
Canada?
till now.
हाँ, तो हमारा कंट्री बाकी है अभी, so we should manifest something happening in Australia, New Zealand. Good population and कौशल भाई धंधे का मत सोचना वो टाइम पे, सीधा वेकेशन लेके आने का, एक शो करने का, बाद में वेकेशन करने का, अगला इवेंट मिला तो क्या होगा, वैसा नहीं, because Australia, New Zealand are very beautiful places.
Yeah, I'll become a kangaroo there. Like
Correct.
jumping.
Correct. You can keep hopping around, but yeah, you should, if you come here, then you should take some time off and come so that you can really enjoy the place very well as well. Beautiful.
It is very beautiful.
But going on that only, any one place that stood out, you know, you all were like, you know, this city was very nice, or we enjoyed this a lot. ऐसे कुछ यादें हैं, some memories?
Everywhere. Yeah, it's been. I mean, all the cities and all.
Beautiful.
So wherever we are together, you know, we make memories, be it anywhere on earth. We can make memories in a car. एक जगह पे बैठ के भी, इधर घर में भी, US भी जाके आए थे तो वहाँ पे भी we have made like hell lot of memories and गए, दुबई गए, हर जगह हमने ऐसी crazy चीजें की है, मलेशिया गए. We enjoy being together.
So it's kind of a vacation, everyday vacation for us. A travel is a vacation with the kind of team that we have and the kind of madness that we create every time, everywhere. Specific तो नहीं है, but we enjoy it.
You enjoy
Everywhere
it.
it's funny.
India में any unique place that you all have been to, which big cities तो चलो जाते रहते हैं, but anything that stood out, some unique place?
Not as such.
Dehradun, that
Masuri. But that is also a tourist place, so everybody knows it.
Kumbhalgarh is, oh my God.
Oh,
We used to, I mean, we'd been almost 5-6 days in a month. We had performed at Kumbhalgarh. This was maybe last to last year.
3 years back.
And it was crazy because then you have to get on stage at around 11:30-12 at night with a 6-degree, 5-degree temperature and cold winds blowing. Even the keyboardist is like, how will I play my keyboard? My hands are all, you know, freeze. So with gloves and all. At that stage, I mean, at that moment, we used to go on stage, and then we have, you know, this windy air coming, blowing from our mouth, cold air, and still we are singing. And after the show, we are sweating.
Yeah.
Then that
Because
is
of
one,
creating that
we have
energy.
a lot of, yeah.
But since you mentioned that cold kind of thing, right? Any routine all of you all have for what you do for your throat? How do you take care of your voice and you know, your throat?
All the voices for
Warm-up
everybody.
exercise.
Everybody is different. Yeah, so everybody's voice and you know,
I have some ideas, I guess.
for me, I've never had cold thanda pani or cold drink or anything. It's been over 25 years maybe. I've not had anything, any cold stuff. So for me, that has worked. For them, it's, I mean, all different for everyone. Tejas ka to it is.
उसका गला बैठता है तो भी ऐसा लगता है
पता ही
कि
नहीं
हाँ,
चलता
पता ही नहीं
कि
चलता
वो
कि
cold है,
हाँ,
कफ
cold
है, कुछ है. खाली एक बार अभी लास्ट ईयर हुआ था जब भी उसकी आवाज गई थी. खाली एक बार हुआ था 2-3 दिन के लिए. बाकी ही इज नेवर अनवेल. वो स्नीज करते, नोजी क्लीन करते करते भी गा लेता है.
So his unwell, it's never here. So if it is never here, it doesn't come here.
That is a beautiful thing you said. That's a beautiful thing you said. अगर आप में इतना एनर्जी है, इतना एक्साइटमेंट है, तो वो you'll probably, even if your body is not 100%, you will not feel it.
True.
So being girls, so you know, we have seen shows where you know both of us, एक तो हम दोनों sisters from another mother है, दोनों को उल्टी साथ में होती है, खांसी साथ में, सब साथ में होता है हम लोग को. We have seen days where you know we are singing on stage, backstage जाके उल्टी कर रहे हैं, दोनों साथ में उल्टी कर रहे हैं, वापस स्टेज पे जा रहे हैं, गा रहे हैं,
and because of travel,
sleepless nights. But
Yes, yeah, correct,
but
correct.
when we stage, we forget everything. Any phase of life, we are okay when we are together and on stage. Be it literally any phase of life.
Yeah, yeah, and God bless.
Whenever, wherever we perform, it's like, as if we are performing for the last show of our life. So वैसे
Last show,
perform करना है. Create memories for the people who have hired us, who have expectations, those families. We are creating moments for them. For their, it's just once in a lifetime for them.
When we see the family smiling, the parents, everybody is smiling, that smile on their face when they're dancing, we forget everything that we are going through or we have been through. It's like, we're living for that. That's the purpose, to see people smile and dance and have the best time of life.
Such a beautiful thing that you said, and I feel that this is anyone who has done a stage performance can relate to this, because you're literally feeding off the energy that is coming from the audience. Wo khush to hum khush. You're everything you do is striving towards just making them happy. Bilkul sahi tha. So I think the conversation has been very engaging so far. We'll just move towards some parts around the next steps. But there is one thing that is always running in my head, and maybe you can help clarify this. Since you will do this on a public forum or a public event like this, and these are songs which have IP and so on and so forth, how is that managed? Is there a way to formally do this where the IP conflicts, etc., are resolved and so on?
No, so those are taken care by the hotels or the event companies or the clients. So that is not an issue, because you anyways have to. It's kind of a 3-4 day event wherein there are other programs as well. So then taking a license for the entire event is what works best for everyone.
Beautiful. So that is covered from that event management perspective, where all that is sorted and so on.
Yeah.
Beautiful. So amongst you, who's that PR savvy person, who takes care of all the Insta reels and putting it on digital platforms? Who's the brain behind that?
Brijesh. We used to do it earlier, but then it's more important for us to only focus on music. So then Brijesh
correct.
is the one who looks after it.
Looks after all that.
And he's doing pretty well in that, yeah.
As a group, do you all have a favorite song? That it doesn't mean you have to perform that, but आप लोगों का कोई एक favorite गाना that you all jam on, or that defines you, like ये दोस्ती हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे.
Even Ilahi is also
our favorite. Lot of songs, but Chaiya Chaiya was the song ki जब ये medleys में I think industry में कोई नहीं perform करता था. When we started performing for weddings, तो वो medley में नहीं होता था. It was a solo song जो कोई ऐसे पूरा perform कर रहा है. वैसे for as a dancing number, I think we started performing, और वो सबको इतना अच्छा लगा कि अभी ऐसे हो गया है कि it's a wedding anthem.
Even that has a story. वो क्या हुआ था, हम लोग flow में गा रहे थे और अचानक कौशल ने ऐसे ही गा दिया, गुलपोश कभी इतराए का. वो खुद मेरे पास देख रही है, कौन सा गाना है, बोला नहीं गाते रहे, अभी पता नहीं है, जो आएगा तभी पता चलेगा. तो दैट टाइम वो पता चल के वो छैया सॉन्ग इसने ऐसे ही उठा लिया है.
वो लोगों को बिठा के कराना. And this we used to do maybe 8 years back, 8-9 years back. We used to perform Chaiya Chaiya in weddings. And now when we see, every wedding, every Sangeet has this song performed, making people,
whether it is Mehndi, birthday party, anniversary, whatever party.
को बिठा के वो step कराना. Right now we see it everybody doing it.
Everybody, okay. And who amongst you is that? Absolutely, and that's some songs are like this. People with 2 left feet will also stand up and dance, like me. Naach na jane angan teda, but we'll also stand up and dance. So who amongst you is the kind who will एक तरीके से जान, which I think all of you all do, लेकिन सबको नचाने के लिए you'll enthuse people, आ जाओ नाचो, like you can't sit quiet.
ऐसा सब लोग ही करते हैं ऐसा.
He is the most overexcited one.
I'm unstoppable.
We have to pull him and take him off the stage. बस सभी बस.
कभी-कभी ऐसे लगता है कि हम लोग तीनों स्टेज पे से उतर जाएंगे, अभी तुझे खींच के लेके जाएंगे बस.
मेरा एक ये है कि मैं अभी हर बार हमारा एक मेडली सेक्शन खत्म होता है, फिर मैं लोगों को पूछता हूँ अभी तो पार्टी, फिर लोगों
शुरू हुई है,
पीछे लोग ये करने से गा रहे हैं, अभी बस अभी खत्म हो रही है.
कौशल को हर एक शो में सेटिस्फेक्शन तभी मिलता है अगर वो क्राउड के बीच में ना गया
या क्राउड उसके पास ना आया तो शो हुआ ही नहीं है। फिर आपने 2 घंटा किया है, 2.5 घंटा किया।
जब तक आखिरी बंदा खाना खाने ना जाए ना तो
एक आध शो में तो हम तीनों उतर गए थे, उसको क्लाइंट ने पकड़ के रखा, हमने बोला रखो उसको, हम जा रहे हैं।
तो नीचे नाचते हैं ना, उससे ज्यादा स्टेज पे होते हैं। लाइक वी आर ऑलमोस्ट 12 ऑफ अस ऑन स्टेज। तो नीचे पता चला 8-10 जन ही नाच रहे हैं, तो हम लोग ने बोला अरे चलो अभी वाइंड अप करो, वैसे भी हो गया है अपना। बट नो,
कौशल उसको ऊपर मिला लेता है, आप ऊपर आ जाओ,
आप ऊपर आओ, ऊपर आओ।
और करते रहो ब्यूटीफुल। तो यू आर द जान ऑफ दैट इन दैट सेंस। दे से दिस अबाउट रणवीर सिंह, लाइक ये सो मच एनर्जी के रुकता ही नहीं है, लाइक ही विल बी द लास्ट मैन डांसिंग। तो कौशल इज लाइक दैट।
ही ऑलवेज थिंक्स कि भाई एक जो भी एक शो कर रहे हैं ये उनके लिए पहला, और वो संगीत बाद में फिर से होने वाली नहीं है। दूल्हा दुल्हन फिर से तो शादी करने वाले हैं नहीं,
तो सब दे दो,
वो सब दे दो।
पर प्रॉब्लम वो है कि कभी कभी क्लाइंट बोलते हैं बस अभी बंद करो, फिर भी वो बोलता है नहीं मेरा बाकी है, मैं और देता हूँ। अरे बस बोला तो बस करो भाई।
ना नाइस, ऐसा ही मस्ती वाला चाहिए। तो आई थिंक होपफुली आप मेलबर्न जल्दी आओगे, ऑस्ट्रेलिया जल्दी आओगे, एंड वील गेट टू सी V4 वंस मोर लाइव। एक चीज पूछना रह गया था, वो अभी पूछ लेता हूँ, बेटर लेट देन नेवर। तो जो लोगों का पैशन रहता है, लाइक हमारे जैसे बाथरूम सिंगर्स का जो पैशन रहता है, उसको आपने प्रोफेशन बना लिया है। तो आपका पैशन अभी क्या है? आपका फ्री टाइम में आप क्या करना पसंद करते हो? वीकेंड तो खैर आपके है नहीं, बट वॉट एवर फ्री डेज यू हैव इन अ वीक, उसमें आप क्या करते हो?
We take care of our health. We work a lot on our physique and on our health, on detoxing ourselves. You know, when we are free.
We love to play cricket.
I love dancing, so I do that.
And so actually, for all four of us, health is a biggest priority. And मतलब लोग कितने ऑलमोस्ट सभी शोज में लोग पूछते हैं कि आप क्या खाते हैं, आप इतना एनर्जी कहाँ से लाते हैं. So, just want to share this, that, health is something that is the biggest investment that you can do for yourself. And, we've been following it strictly now, since we are even reverse aging. So, so then that is something, everybody should, prioritize.
Any tips or secrets you want to share? How does the day start, or what do you all do on a regular basis?
I'll be very excited to do it.
Yeah, I'll share.
Go ahead.
So we start off with a green juice prepared by my lovely wife. So which has minor and major greens, a fruit, then
Some Indian spices.
some spices, cinnamon and jeera and all that. So we start with that, and followed by alkaline water. वो भी एक है, we take that. Followed by yoga, then
Dry fruits. Then
yeah. lunch.
Salads.
So whenever we eat, we start off with salad, a bowl of salad, and then we eat the main course.
And the good thing is all four of us are into the same direction. एक वो चीटर होता है ना, तो टीम को खींच लेता है, पर सब अभी उस दिशा में ही दौड़ रहे हैं.
Healthy eaters.
हमने एक चीटर को खींच लिया है. That is British, our manager.
And then we are even vegan. So I am a hardcore vegan at times. मतलब कभी एकदम rarely, but otherwise we are following that diet as well.
Vegan diet.
And plus, no sugar. We use stevia and monk fruit sweetener. तो वो थोड़े changes है. Less of carbs. Khapli atta, not the regular atta, brown rice. So these are all minor changes that we
clean, and that helps in our keeping up our energies on stage. When we see people younger to us, when we see them on stage, they feel tired and they're like, oh, and we are charged up and we are like, हमको तो थकान ही नहीं लगती. And
After show also we can do one more show.
And even after doing back-to-back shows, for that particular show when we are performing, we are so energetic, we are so and we see 20s. 20s, 30s wale wo thak gaye.
And doing a show is just not show. So what we do is we have packing. We have to reach there. So there's traveling. We have udhar jaake unpacking. Fir wapas packing. Coming here, maintaining our things. Yeah. So it's a
all
big
of that
thing lined up. Behind a show, there is a lot of mehnat and schedule.
What
Behind
people
a 2 hours show, there is 20 hours of
Yeah.
Exactly. You have to वहाँ पे जाके on the stage you have to have that kind of. I'm assuming you will do that prep beforehand. You get that sense.
A lot of exercises, gymming, swimming, everything. Stretching.
Well, wonderful on that. But I'll still ask the question once again. ये तो health के perspective से हो गया. लेकिन anything that you're like, let me put it this way, right? लाइक एज आई सेड वंस अगेन कि हमारा जो पैशन है, जो हम लोग वीकेंड पे करने की कोशिश करते हैं कि मैं गाना गा लिया, ये गा लिया, दैट इज व्हाट यू ऑल डू. तो उसके अलावा नाउ यू ऑल आर सेइंग इट्स हेल्थ, एंड बोथ ऑफ यू प्रोबेबली क्रिकेट इज व्हाट कीप्स यू ऑल. And any favorite team that you all follow? IPL wise?
इतना ये नहीं है. It's India.
अच्छा, वो क्रेज नहीं है. हाँ, अपने को खेलना है बस. That is
बट ऐसा नहीं है कि ये पर्टिकुलर टीम के लिए क्रेज है, बट वी वॉच ईच एंड एवरी मैच.
IPL में इंडियन कोई अच्छा कर रहा है like.
Fair enough. And Arohi, you talked about dancing. What kind of dancing? Just any specific
In
classical
general,
dance?
anything.
अच्छा.
No, earlier, like when I was in school, I used to learn Bharatanatyam, but gradually वो तो सब कहीं चला गया. But I love dancing. तो मैं ऐसे ही कभी गाना लगा के घर पे अकेले अकेले नाच भी लेती हूँ.
So anyway, V414 का on stage choreography is your department.
Not really, but kind of. That's it. Okay, that we do on stage.
That you do on stage. But I'll use this as an opportunity to understand what's next for V4 once more. क्या goals हैं? क्या करना चाहते हैं as a group?
Vision is, that V4 once more should be known by each and everyone in India. So लोगों को कौन V4 once more ऐसा ये ना हो, people know that okay, there is a band named V4 once more. So that is a vision that we have. And secondly, we have a lot of originals coming that are lined up. We already have released 5 of our originals, which are there on Spotify, Apple Music, and on the platform.
We've done videos of the same.
So we are planning to do this activity every year and come up with 4 to 5 originals of different genres. Obviously, being a Gujarati, it would be Navratri. Then there is a Rajasthani song that's coming up, and
So we want to go for different genres and different things. Gujarati भी हो, Rajasthani भी हो, Bollywood भी हो,
Punjabi
भी हो.
friendship के ऊपर हो, and we want to cover many of this areas in terms of music.
Ever thought of taking it to the Grammys?
Grammys, not. I mean, obviously.
Hopefully, why not?
Yeah, it's a
Manifest. Let's manifest it on the show that
Yeah,
let
I've
that.
never seen no two good things.
Correct. No, definitely we wish that something like that happens. I think for the past year and a half, you have some of these originals that are coming out of yours. May we have more and more of that coming out in the future. With that, I think, is there anything else you would like to say to our audience, or you would like to manifest more manifestation on this show today?
I think it's just that God has been really very kind on us, honestly. Struggle, it's never been a struggle for us. It's always been an experience for us, and it has helped us. So as a band, we've never seen struggle wala struggle. It's always been a very hardcore good experience anywhere, everywhere that we've performed, and the entire journey.
I say we are blessed for that actually.
Yeah.
We grew together. Yeah.
मतलब almost सभी बैंड में कैसा होता है कि they change musicians for
Singers, musicians.
Yeah, वो change भी इसलिए होता है क्योंकि उन लोगों को sound change करना है. So for the upgradation, but we are really blessed कि हमने वो कभी नहीं किया, और कभी इसलिए नहीं किया क्योंकि हमारे musicians हमेशा वो upgrade भी होते ही रहते हैं. Even yeah, so we are really blessed for that.
सिंगर्स में भी बहुत बार ऐसे होता है कि अरे यार ये सॉन्ग मैं नहीं गाऊंगी, या ये मुझे गाना है, तू क्यों गा रहा है, या हाँ ऑन स्टेज. तो हमारे बीच में वो चीज भी नहीं है, तो एवरीथिंग इज गुड.
नहीं, एकता का यही राज है, राइट? एकता की यही राज. तो चलिए, मैं एक चीज मैनिफेस्ट करता हूँ इस शो पे. आई डोंट नो इफ दैट इज व्हाट यू वांट, बट एज अ फैन एंड एज समबडी हु इज टॉकिंग टू यू, आई हैव दिस मैनिफेस्टेशन के the next Dhurandhar or the next big thing that happens, उसमें हमको V4 once more का म्यूजिक सुनने मिले, where you have created the original tracks, जहाँ पे आप वो समा बांधो हम सबके लिए. तो this on this note, I would like to say thank you to each one of you, Ekta, Kaushal, Tejas, and Arohi, for joining us on this show, sharing this wonderful journey of yours. Really inspirational in terms of passion. चाहे कुछ भी हो, लेकिन उसको फॉलो करने का जो एक जज्बा होता है वो होना चाहिए. And we wish you all the manifestations that we did on this show as happen. Let it happen. But the first manifestation I want is कि please Australia आओ. I want to watch V4 once more live.
मैं यही बोलने वाला था कि मैनिफेस्टेशन तो है ही, बट वो जैसे आपने कहा ना कि और क्या चीजें हैं, व्हाट नेक्स्ट, तो नेक्स्ट में यही है कि पूरी दुनिया घूमनी है और
वर्ल्ड टूर करनी है।
world tours. Yes.
के सामने जाना है जहाँ पे एंड नंबर ऑफ पीपल्स हो, मतलब वो एंड तक दिखे ही नहीं, वैसे
दिखे ही नहीं, correct, right? Yes, yes, and let all that happen. Chaliye, cheers. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you so much.
Bye.